3 easy hairstyles for when you're running late. Okay, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about how to make your hair look great when you're running late. Sometimes you just can't really rewash your hair or re-deal with it. So imagine that your hair is and also these looks are great for if your hair is straight, wavy, curly. They're all gonna be for slightly longer looks, not so much shorter looks because I'm gonna be our model today. Strike a pose. But if your hair is straight or if you've blown your hair out straight, I would say that basing all of these with a little bit of product is gonna be important for you. So, cause a lot of times we'll get the question of oh, would this style work on straight hair? And the answer is yes. It's just that if your hair is straight, you might need a little bit of say an air dry cream or a salt spray or a light hold gel or something to kind of put on your hair to help the style stay or control your hairlines, etc. So the first one we're gonna do is this kind of cheater French braid that I love. For this look, you're gonna wanna have some air dry cream or some sort of lotion to put on your hair. You could do a leave-in detangler to spray on your hands. You could use instant recovery serum. But yeah, so this is a great, easy cheater French braid. So for this one, I'm just going to turn myself, it does. Okay, so I'm just starting with this hair. So I'm gonna take my hair, I'm gonna divide it into 3 sections for braiding. And I'm just gonna start to braid just the back. Then with this piece, I'm gonna grab a little piece of hair and add it because I'm doing a little French braid. Adding a little piece on this hair or on this side, picking up that previous piece of hair and adding it underneath. If your hair is really frizzy, you might want to have instant recovery serum or air dry cream handy to put on each section as you braid it. Okay, so now I'm gonna start to take this hair and I'm gonna add all of it in. I'm doing the same on this side, taking all of the hair. And then you just finish your braid all the way down your head. I just got a haircut, so you can hair tie this. I'm gonna take these little elastics. I'm gonna elastic the end. You could take this and leave it, or you could roll it underneath and do a little chic little bun thing. Pretty, right? I like how my ears are kind of being cut. I just think that's kind of fun, but you don't have to. You can stick it over the ear, this side, or you can make it come back over. I do just feel that's a little European and interesting. I don't know, it makes me feel cool. My favorite ever, half up, half down. This is how I like to wear my hair when I'm doing hair, if I'm on stage. You can show the length of your hair, you can show kind of a little bit of shape, but the hair is out of your face and you don't have to worry about getting this part sweaty. So this is awesome for summertime. So if you're newer to this style, using something like this to section your hair, I like it to go like this, kind of along this line versus this line. So you could do it kind of straight back. I like to leave more hair out. So I like my line to be, I kind of angle, I've been doing this for a minute. So I can kind of usually just get away with using my fingers. So yeah, if you are newer to this, I would definitely use something like this to kind of guide the line. And then you just take the hair from on top and just pull it down. Now, the thing about a comb like this that sucks is that if your hair is curly like mine, it might get a little bit stuck. So using maybe a clip like this is actually better because it's not gonna catch as much. But it should look something like this. It's almost like a triangle that meets about here. Then what I like to do sometimes is take some clips and clip down the hair that's not going up yet so it doesn't get as stuck. There's actually a lot of ways that you can do this, and none of it has to take super long. I'm gonna kind of do like the off-duty model thing and go. The reason that I'm doing it this way is because I'm gonna want to retain my center part. So I'm keeping my parting pretty clear there. It's like pretty clean. And so this is gonna be the last thing I kind of work with. I'm gonna come back in with my air dry cream. Just ignore this hair for now. Clip it out of my way. So what I'm gonna do is take some air dry cream on my hand. And air dry cream has chia seed and linseed in it, which is gonna create natural hold without being like crunchy. And I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna kind of use my hand to like get that product into my hair. And I'm gonna take this little brush, or you could use a wide tooth comb, to just flick or gather your hair rather. Because you can, because my hair is pretty curly right now, you can leave some texture in it, or you can try to get it a little smoother with the brush. I'm gonna add a little bit more air dry cream, which I'm gonna do in my hand. I'm gonna use my other finger to just kind of, I'm using it to just like brush it on my hairline. And this is gonna create nice hold. And then I'm gonna take my brush again and kind of use the brush to like distribute that air dry cream through my hair. I do this for my quick change at my show, my stand-up show, because I'll do my hair in like a bubble pony when I do the gymnastics. And then I switch it to this. And you can do this really pretty quick. So now that I got that kind of slick how I want it, I'm gonna tie it up in my little ponytail. Now I just have this hair. And you could just like let this be slut strands and just have like slut strands, but I don't do slut strands because of my hairline right here. I call this my Bermuda Triangle, and it makes me scared. So I don't do slut strands. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of air dry cream, a little more. I'm gonna put it right here, right on the front of my slut strand. And then I'm gonna use this little fine tooth comb to like really work that in. And I'm gonna join this with the ponytail. And then I'm gonna continue holding it and take a little bit more air dry cream right on my hand, like before. I'm gonna take that again. I'm gonna work that into this slut strand. Using the product on my finger to kind of like really control these hairs. Again, taking my fine tooth comb, combing it in. You still retain this kind of center part, which I think is what gives it its extra zhuzh. And then you just gather that with your first pony, and we put it back up. Okay, now, you could take this out and just have it be like this. But you can also do this other high fashion slut look that I just saw this girl on TikTok do, which is very Kendall, very Bella, but like, you're worth millions, like it's expensive. And these are these cool hairpins that I love. They have like felt on them. I think we talked about it in the last video. They really help your hair stay. And I'm gonna twist, 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 twist. I know to add more product when I'm losing control of the hair. If it's kind of floppy or hair is falling out, that means it's like not got enough product in it. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna tie my hair in a knot. So I took those two strands, I'm gonna tie it in a knot. Then I'm gonna take these two strands and I'm gonna tie it in a knot again. So that I have it like this. That little chunk fell out, don't worry. Doesn't matter. So then I'm just gonna take these ends, twist that all around itself so that the ends are kind of like sticking out a little. Now I'm gonna take these hairpins and I'm gonna stick them in. I went for these big ones, but actually for this little half up, half down, these littler ones are actually better. So I like these little ends out because it's just kind of like fun and different. Then you can undo your clip, take this out, and it's kind of just like, ooh. I'm taking a little bit of air dry cream on this little toothbrush. I'm just gonna like make sure my edges are good here. I love brushing my teeth with air dry cream. So cute, so easy. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna kind of finish this up by putting a little bit more air dry cream mixed with Nourishing Shine Drops. So this is a cocktail. So I'm doing that because of the fact that I'm putting this on dry hair, and this has so much product up here because like I did my cool like techniques of putting it on my hairline, but this hair underneath here is a little bit more like not as producted, and it got a little bit of flyaways in it from just brushing, like finding my sections and stuff. So I'm just gonna work that through here and kind of twist it into my hair. Looks so good. Hey Jonathan, what? So now, even though this looks gorgeous, I'm gonna show you a different when you're really, really late and you're like, F me, I gotta get out of the house. One thing that people always notice in a hairstyle is like this part. So it either needs to be like messy or smooth. I think it just reads a little cleaner if you just make it a little smoother. So kind of like how we did when we were like putting the air dry cream earlier on our slut strands, you're gonna take a little bit more. Because remember, this hair was just living up, so you have to remember like what was happening to your hair before and then after. And since I'm gonna twist my hair up in a clip, I need to just like control this hair a little bit more. I also wanna clean up this part. Okay, so I'm gonna just take my brush, gather this hair. See right here, I want this to be more down like this than like back. So I'm gonna make it more down. Now I have a few clips here. I love like a matte clip. My head's long as f, so I need like a long clip. I like to reach my thumb on the bottom of this section and then twist it up to create this kind of like French twist vibe. Then you're gonna take your clip like that. Is it cute? And then get you a friend who could take some toothbrush and air dry cream and just do your neck pom-poms into like a little bit more of a curl. Very 90s, but it's really coming back, which I love. Ooh, bitch. Pat, 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 pat. I love this. That was 3 gorgeous, quick and easy looks when you're running late for your hair. Try them out, have fun, tag me on the gram. Show us how you like it, tag us on the TikTok. Show us what products you're using, show us what you're loving. I'm loving all this hemisqualane shine. Thanks for coming, thanks for watching. I love you all so much.